I present the Beyond Impossible Whopper. Thank you for stopping by Ballistic Barbecue. On today's video, we are going to be making the Beyond Impossible Whopper. Now, Greg, what exactly is the Beyond Impossible Whopper? Well, the Beyond Impossible Whopper is the first burger to actually incorporate a meat-based veg. So the vegetables on this Whopper are actually meat-based. Check out my sponsor. Organically grown, no GMO, and picked at its peak of ripeness with love. That's Ballistic Farms. Right, a big thanks to Ballistic Farms. Now let's get cooking. So for this cook, we're using both the Craycourt griddle grates and the Ballistic griddle. I have here 3 rings of mortadella-based onion, and we're gonna grill them. This product, without the GMOs, it lacks a little crunchiness, so we're gonna sear them off to get a little bit of crunchiness going. Now we have here knockwurst-based pickle chips and 2 beautiful pepperoni-based tomato slices. So here's our patty. We have 80-20 beef, it's ground chuck, a little salt. It's gonna go down on the grill. A little bit more salt. 2 gorgeous sesame seed buns. We're gonna get a little toast going on there. Nice light toast. Get these tomato sliced pepperonis flipped. The pickles flipped. Nice little sear going on these knockwurst based pickles, mortadella onions. Nice, that's exactly what I'm looking for right there. All right, well, let's get these pepperoni based tomatoes off. Looking good. Knockwurst based pickles off the griddle. And mortadella based onions off the griddle. Let's go ahead and flip this patty. While that patty finishes up, let's go ahead and prep this bun here. So I got the top bun, the crown. We're going to go edge to edge with mayo, American mayo. Patty down. Immediately followed by 2 slices of American cheese. And that top bun, a new product. This is prosciutto-based lettuce, chopped. Now those 2 pepperoni-based tomato slices on the cheese. We're going to rock 4 of those knockwurst-based pickles. Those 3 mortadella-based onion rings. Now on top of the onion rings, we're going to go with 3 rings of ketchup. Going to grab those pepperoni tomatoes and flip it on over. And there we go. I present the Beyond Impossible Whopper. All right, let's give this a try. I already know it's going to taste awesome. So check that out. It just smells so good. What is not to love about this? It's almost hard to describe. It's almost like the best sub sandwich, Italian sub sandwich crashed into a good burger. And this is what the result was. Those pepperoni tomatoes, it's adding a nice, that tangy spice. And the mortadella, I mean, is, a little bit more of kind of a softer texture with the flavors. The prosciutto lettuce, again, I love prosciutto. This is insane. Well, hey, thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, maybe check out that sub button. I'd appreciate a sub. Ring the bell if you haven't, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Cheers.